वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सर्वांचं क्लासेसमध्ये स्वागत आहे. आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.
Now, we are didn't want to recall this regarding the evidences of evolution. Firstly, morphological evidences. First point is morphological evidences. Okay, morphology. What is the morphology? What is mean by morphology? Okay, morphology means structure. Okay, structure, the outermost structure. When morphology of different animals was studied, it was uh, observed that here this is the morphology. Okay, various means whether we are study the morphology of different animals. Okay, it was observed that the different animals show some similarities. Okay, the different animals showing some similarities. Okay, in which organ there are a similarity means such as a structure of mouth. Okay, structure of mouth, the structure of ears, eyes. Okay, okay, the nostrils. Means when we are discussing about the morphology of animals, in that there is some similarity between the structure of total mouth, the structure of ear, the structure of nostrils, the structure of ear pan, thickness. Okay, the hairs on the body, means that such type of a structure is that is called morphology. Okay, that is the morphology means the outermost covering, that was those things we are sure of. Okay, that are the morphological things. पहा, आपण मॅक्झिमम वेळेस काय करतो की ज्या काही शॉपच्या गोष्टी आहेत, बाहेरील आवरण आहेत, समजा स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे की मॅक्झिमम पाहतो की मॉर्फोलॉजी कशी आहे, पानाचा शेप पहा. जर आपण प्लांट मॉर्फोलॉजी पाहत असू तर त्यांचा शेप पहा, फ्रूट स्ट्रक्चर पहा, त्यानंतर बीज स्ट्रक्चर पहा, लीफ स्ट्रक्चर, फ्लावर स्ट्रक्चर. हे स्ट्रक्चर आहेत का, दॅट स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड morphology and there are some similarities. त्यांच्यामध्ये काही सिमिलॅरिटी आहेत. In the case of a plant, different plant, okay, in the case of plant here, in the case of a plant, the different plant also showing similarity, whether in such a leaves, shape of leaves, vein, leaf petals, that set. Okay, indeed this indicate that there are some similarity in those groups, and hence it prove that their origin must be same and must be common. Okay, ancestors and origin must be same. What is the conclusion? It is concluded that whether there are a similarity between the leaves, there are similarity between the leaves, there are similarity between the petals, there are similarity between the plant structure, it must be something similar at the start. काहीतरी सुरुवातीला त्यांच्यामध्ये सिमिलॅरिटी असणं हा एक यावरचा कन्क्लुजन आहे, यावरचे एक निष्कर्ष आहे. म्हणजे काय, सुरुवातीला त्याचे पानं सारखे होते, मान्य, भरपूर झाडांचे आपण पानं पाहतो, पानाचं स्ट्रक्चर पाहतो, सिमिलर आहे, मॅक्झिमम टाइम सिमिलर येतं, बरोबर आहे. त्याचा जो पेटल्स आहेत त्या सिमिलर येतात, बरोबर, स्ट्रक्चर सिमिलर येतं, कलर तर सगळ्यांनाच माहिती सिमिलर आहे, बरोबर आहे. मग इथं असा प्रश्न उत्पन्न होतो की इथं जर या गोष्टी सिमिलर आहे तर सुरुवातीला काहीतरी यांच्यामध्ये सिमिलॅरिटी असली पाहिजे, समथिंग कॉमन इन द ओरिजिन. ओके, अँड दॅट इज द morphology, and that is the first evidence of the evolution. Okay, next, what is the next? anatomical evidences. Here, if we observe, whether we are observing the internal structure of a human body, okay, the internal structure of a human body, or the skeleton, okay, this is the internal structure of the animals, okay, human being, or here the internal structure of a hand, this is the internal structure of hand, okay. Here the internal structure of the human, cat, bat and whale, okay, means whether we are discussing about the internal structure of the human, if we are observing internal structure of a human hand, cat, four leg, okay, cat's four leg means a front leg, the flipper of whale, and the pat gum of a beet or a bat, okay, there doesn't seem any the superficial similarity between them. There is no any superficial similarity between them. There is the different structure respectively in animals, okay. There is no similarity. Also use of each of these structure is different in respectively animals. The use of this structure, okay, sorry, the use of a hand, the use of this, the use of a fur, flipper, that are also respectively different. या सगळ्यांचा यूज जो आहे तो सिमिलर आहे का? नाही, वेगवेगळा आहे, निश्चितच वेगळा आहे. However, there is a similarity in structure of bones. तर जे काही मग आपण कशा रीतीने म्हणू शकतो की याच्या जी बोनची सिमिलॅरिटी आहे ती कशी आहे, ओके. A join in a organ of each of these animals, the similarity indicate that those animals have same common, okay, ancestors. This similarity indicate that those animals may have been common ancestor. ह्या सिमिलॅरिटी होऊन याच्यात जे हाडाची जी काही जडणघडण आहे, याच्यात जे काही जॉइंट आहे, जे काही स्ट्रक्चर आहे, तर यावरून वी आर कन्क्लूड दॅट, यावरून एक असा निष्कर्ष काढू शकतो की हे सर्व कसे असू शकतात, एकाच काळातील असू शकतात, ओके. हे त्यावरून सिमिलॅरिटी निघू शकते, ओके. अलग अलग, okay. The vestigial organ. What is meant by vestigial organ? Means degenerated. What is meant by vestigial organ? Degenerated okay, degenerated or underdeveloped, unless organ or useless organ, sorry, useless organ of organism are called vestigial organ. Vestigial organ, okay. What is the important? Underdeveloped useless organ. एवढंच important आहे definition मध्ये. Means the degenerated, okay, underdeveloped useless organ, that is called vestigial organ. आता what is the explanation regarding this? A specific structure in the body is useful under a certain situation. However, a same structure under a different situation may become a useless or even harmful. I was told you about these things, okay. Whether the sudden development of a new tissue or a organ for a living in a changing environment is not possible. Instead, existing organ undergo a gradually change. Mostly a specific structure in the body is useful under a certain situation. हेच सांगितलंय मी की अंडर अ सर्टन सिच्युएशन मे बी दॅट ऑर्गन इज अ युजफुल. Maybe that organ is useful. Okay. हा. आणि in other condition it is harmful. Okay. Maybe कधी तो useful असू शकतो, कधी harmful असू शकतो. Such type of a condition in human being. Okay. Such structure being to be a degenerated under such a situation as per the principle of a natural selection. This is the principle of a natural selection. Natural selected. Why it is the principle of a natural selected? Because of such type of organ is a degenerated organ in a situation as per principle of a nature. Okay. It takes 1,000 of a year for a structure to disappear. Such organs are seen in a different phase of disappearing and different animals. Okay, maximum times it was disappearing. Okay, it takes 1,000 of a years for a structure of disappear. Such organs are seen in a different phase to disappear in different animals. Such organ thought a non-functional and certain organism, it may be a functional in other organisms. That is, it is not a vestigial in the other organisms. Okay, means in one organism it is useful. Okay, and in next organism it is useless. Okay, okay, yes. And the example is appendix. The example is appendix. Okay, appendix is useless in human being but useful in a functional organ of a ruminant. Okay, okay, similar muscle of the ear pinna. Okay, which are useless to human are useful in a monkey. Okay, are useless in human and useful to monkey. Okay, now this is total about the vestigial organ. Okay, for movement of a ear pinna, the vestigial organ like a tailbone. Okay, ज्याला कोकॅक्स म्हणू, विजडम टीथ जे समोरचे दात आहेत, अँड द हिअर आर प्रेझेंट ऑन द बॉडी ऑफ अ ह्युमन बिईंग. ओके, याच्यामध्ये काही उदाहरण आहेत ज्याचं अपेंडिक्स, मसल ऑफ अ इयर पिन, त्याच्यानंतर टेल बोन, आपल्या मनकेच्या खाली टेल बोन आहे, विजडम टीथ आहेत आणि बॉडी हिअर्स, हे याचे उदाहरण आहेत. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द व्हेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन. इथं आपण थांबू. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल, याला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि जे कोणी गरजू व्यक्ती असतील किंवा जे कोणी तुमच्या वर्गात शिकत असतील त्यांना हा शेअर करा. ओके.